Hello kids, today we are going to visit the zoo. This is a candy shop where the kids are buying candies. Let's go to the zoo and find some animals. Oh, what animal is that? It's a gorilla. What is he doing? He is playing baseball. Do you know what's the baby gorilla called? Infant.
E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a there.
Hello little fox. They are very quick. Do you know the name of baby fox? Pup.
Old MacDonald had
What animal is that? A panda. They are very lazy. They eat grass and bamboos.
here and a there, here a there.
Do you know what's the name of baby panda? Cub.
E-I-E-I-O,
Come on. Let's meet the tiger. They are very strong animals and their teeth are very sharp. Do you know what the baby tiger called? Cub.
here and a there, here.
Oh, what animal is that?
MacDonald had
Kangaroo.
E-I-O,
They have very good eyesight and they move by hopping.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Do you know what's the name of baby kangaroo? Joy.
Sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a
What animal is that? Elephant. It is the biggest and largest animal on land.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Do you know what's the name of baby elephant? Calf. Hey, what animal is that? Rhinoceros. It is famous for its large horn.
Had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Do you know what the baby rhinoceros called? Calf.
Everywhere Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello, noisy parrots. They have very strong beak.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Parrots love to eat fruits.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Hey, what animal is that? Deer.
E-I-O.
They eat grass, leaves, and plants. Do you know the name of baby deer? It's Fawn.
Farm he had a dog, E-I-E.
Oh, kids, you all know this familiar animal. Lion. He is known as the king of the jungle. Do you know the name of baby lion? Cub.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his
Hey, what animal is that? Giraffe. It is the tallest animal in the world. They eat leaves and plants.
E-I-E-I-O.
Do you know what the baby giraffe called? Calf.
Old MacDonald had
Hello, Humpy Camel. Camel is a big and useful animal. It is called the ship of desert.
there, here, there, there.
Do you know what the baby camel called? Calf.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So kids, how was your visit to the zoo? Hope you enjoyed it a lot. See you in the next videos.
E-I-E-I-O.